Are you getting the agent terminated due to error message in anti-gravity? Well, you are in the right place because in today's video, we will show you the most common causes and how to fix them so you can get your agent running again. So the first thing that you need to do is understand the error. This error usually means the agent crashed before a configuration issue, missing a dependency, authentication problem, or unexpected runtime error. So the first thing we will do is to check the logs to identify exactly what caused the crash. And then you need to check the logs. Okay, so open the logs or console panel and then navigate to the logs or console section. Look for the first error that appears before the agent terminated due to error message. That's usually the root cause. Okay, and then after that, you need to verify the configuration. So open the configuration settings. Next, you need to verify that. Make sure the required fields are filled out correctly, like API keys, environment variables, agent configuration, endpoints URLs, and workspace ID. And then after that, you need to restart the agent. So click stop and then restart. After making any changes, restart the agent. Many temporary issues are resolved within a clean restart. And then after restarting, you need to update the dependencies. So if the problem started after an update, check whether you're using compatible versions of Antigravity and any required dependencies. So you need to click the update packages, restart service, and retry. And then finally, you need to check the network access. Make sure your internet connection is stable and your firewall isn't blocking the agent. If you're using proxy or VPN, temporarily disable to test. Now, you want to make sure to review some permissions. Agents require access to specific folders or system resources. So I need you to ensure that the application has the necessary permissions. And finally, you need to reinstall the app if needed. If nothing else works, back up your configuration, reinstall Antigravity, restore your settings, and launch the agent again. Saying the agent terminated due to error message in Gravity is one of the most causes in practical troubleshooting. And this is basically it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.